My dears, I have today came up with an exciting experiment to do with you. My dears, what experiment I am going to do with you is regarding the concept of natural disasters and the two volcanoes. We have already learnt in our previous classes while studying the topic of natural disasters, that is, volcano is a crack or opening in the earth crust, where earth consists of three layers: core, mantle and crust. Where volcano is a crack or opening in the earth crust. It means that whenever earth crust is going to open, whenever earth crust is cracking out, things which are present inside the earth, that are like some hot gases, some rocks and some melted metals whichever are present in the earth crust will come out. That is what known as volcano. We have learned three types of volcanoes. They are like active, dormant and extinct volcanoes. Where these are the three types of volcanoes. Active volcanoes are nothing but the volcanoes which erupt regularly. It means that sometime it is going to erupt. It means volcano is coming out some frequently. The next type of volcano is dormant volcano, where these type of volcanoes, it means that dormant volcanoes are the type of volcanoes which have erupted, which have already erupted long ago, which might not erupt in future. Next, extinct volcanoes are the types of volcanoes which have already stopped erupting. It means that they have already stopped erupting. Stopped erupting. What we have learned regarding eruption in our volcanoes in our previous classes. Now, in our today's session, we shall just make an experiment regarding volcano. That means how volcano is coming out from the earth crust. I will not show exact volcano, but we could make an experiment regarding volcano. That is what I am going to show you in our today's session. In the earth crust, where magma is present, when magma comes out, whenever it reaches the earth surface, we call it as lava. Now, to do this experiment, I have just taken a small one water bottle, where it is of waste water bottle, and I am going to use a food color, baking soda, dishwash detergent and a vinegar. I will tell you once again that I have used a food color, vinegar, baking soda and a liquid dishwash. What I am going to do now is, I am going to add some amount. I have placed a bottle inside the earth using mud, where it is looking like a mountain. When I am going to pour some amount of food color into this, and I am going to add some amount of liquid dishwashing detergent or soap water. And finally, I am adding some amount of baking soda or a cooking soda to this, and just I am going to stir it once, or I am just going to mix it using a stick. Now finally, you can see I am pouring some amount of vinegar into this. Wow, look at this. Whenever this is magma which is present in the earth crust, whenever it comes out from the earth crust, whenever it reaches the earth surface, we call it lava. Use some amount of this flows like this, and some amount which stands on the earth crust forms as places like hills, mountains, plains and plateaus. See my dears, again it is erupting. I have just mixed it once again, and again what I did is, I have just poured some amount of vinegar to this. The thing which is coming out, this is whenever it is present in the earth crust. As I told you, we call it as magma. Whenever it reaches the earth surface, we call it as lava. See how it is flowing. Whenever it flows and whenever it cools and solidifies, it forms some different rocks, and even it Whenever it is in the huge quantity, it even forms some hills and mountains. See, it is again flowing. Yes, my dears, I hope you have enjoyed the experiment whatever I have done, where I have not even used any harmful chemicals. Whatever the things what used here are home, which are available in the home very easily. If possible, please do the experiments in your home with the help of your parents and make a video and send it in the group. Thank you.